What's going on, guys? Today we back at y'all with another video. I know I've been gone for a while, but my boy Ruby just picked up this Scat from Copart. Clean title. Finna rebuild this bad boy. You see it got hit in the front. Yesterday it still had the headlights on and all that. We took all that off. Still some broken pieces. But right now we just finna clean the interior out because it's a little dirty. We just got it earlier today. See, it was crashed. Everything broke. Seat belts went off. We just cut them right now so we can move this shit up and forth. We just want to clean it out right now. We waiting on auto parts to get here. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Look at that. Damn. Damn. Both of the doors messed up. But she already got the 2 new doors sitting in the backyard. We got these water jugs right here because the car is leaking all the coolant out. Drove it like an hour back like this with a broken radiator. Leaked everything out. Look, it's empty right now. We didn't even notice at first. We got to O'Reilly's, it was empty. And it was leaking all on the floor. But yeah, right now we waiting on now we got the front bumper. We waiting on the 2 fenders, a new core support, new radiator. What else? What else he bringing? Fenders, yeah, I already said that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we just gonna clean it out right now. The inside, probably the outside too. And then get everything put on in a minute. I'm gonna show y'all that process too, guys. 2021, I think I only got 40K. Oh shoot. 40K, yep. I'm gonna get back at y'all though when it's all clean. Like it's all dirty everywhere. Alright, so we back. We cleaned up the car a bit, but we didn't even end up finishing because we took both of the doors off that was crunched up. My boy Yuli pulled up, took the doors off, took the whatever that's called off. Fenders. See, all the doors both fixed. Trying to get this one aligned right now. My boy David, we took off the core support, this fender. My boy David finna take this fender off right now. He going crazy. So you about to be done, David?
Okay.
But yeah, finna take the radiator off because it's messed up. We got the new one over there. And then so yeah, we gonna put the new one in, the core support, 2 new fenders in, and then put the whole front bumper on now. We're probably gonna do this all in a minute right now. After her pops get the door aligned perfectly. But yeah, we'll be back. Alright, so it's been like 2-3 days now since we've been back because we've been waiting on the dash because the airbags blew and the passenger headlight and it's on, but it ain't it's all broken. We just putting it on for now just to see, just to try to fit everything on. As you can see, we got the fenders on, doors on, bumper on right now. Probably gonna take it back off so we can replace the headlight when we find one, because we haven't been able to find one. So we just like, whatever. No one's gonna see it. It's gonna stay still. And then she got a new steering wheel, new airbag, a new dash. We finna take this, what's this called, like the skin off, and then just replace this. Like replace that and replace this, and then we gonna leave like the same U-connect, same everything except for this part because it blew over there. But yeah, she got it over there in her front yard. Damn. We probably gonna take it to the car wash right now in a minute because it's super dirty. Just to run it through the car wash and then bring it back home and actually try to clean it good. Detail it because it got dirty again. It ain't that bad though. We gonna get this done now. We'll have back on the video. Hold on, let me try to. Oh nah, this is cool. But yeah, it's dirty. But as soon as we get this car on the road, it's been like 2-3 days. It's been sitting back here. As soon as we get this car on the road, we gonna hop back on the video and show y'all what it's driving like, what it's looking like. All right, so we done got this boy out the back. Done took it on the test drive. It's running good. Sitting at around 210. Right now, we just gonna detail it. As y'all can see, it's super dirty. Damn. I don't know why I just did that. Fuck it though. But yeah, we're finna get to cleaning the wheels first with wheel cleaner and fucking brushes. Brakes done for so many new brakes. It's like, nah. Look, this is the worst one right here. I ain't even finna touch that. But yeah, we're finna get the fucking shit we need right now. Out the back of the whip. Look, bro, if you cleaning wheels, oh shit, it's the wrong one. If you cleaning wheels, this is really all you need right here. Hold on. I gotta add a bunch of extra shit in here. This is all you need. Wheel cleaner, wheel brush, wheel like detailer to get on the little spots, and then a tire brush. That's all you need, literally. You don't need no extra shit, none of that. And a foam can to make the wheels look all foamy and shit too. Nah, but as soon as we start, I'll hop back on the video and I'll show y'all how it's looking. How the wheels gonna look right after this. They gonna look brand new. Brambos too. Alright, we finna get the soap. Move it around. Nigga, move it around the whole bucket. It's the soap right here for the motherfucking wheels. And then we get the 3 tools we need. You can also get the one to go inside the wheel wells, but mine broke, so I don't even use it no more. So, too bad. Alright. We wet the wheels up. And the wheel well too. So the whole wheel, the wheel well, and the tire. Then we get the... That's cool. Now we hit the whole thing with this. Even the brakes. And then inside the wheel well too. Get the brush in that boy. Get the brush in there. What you? First you use the little brush, yeah, that one. We're gonna do that, and then brush it with the green one for the face of the wheel, and the blue one for the tire. And we're gonna do that on all 4, and we're gonna show you how it looks when it's clean and nice. As y'all can see all that dirt right there. Yes, sir. We go crazy. Go follow my Instagram, mcspeed_detailing, I think. I don't know. I haven't used that shit in like a year or 2. But yeah, look, we're gonna do all 4 right now. Look at this before. All dirty. And then after. Shit, look at that. Squeaky clean. You could eat off these motherfuckers if you wanted to. And then these dirty. Now let me show y'all the other side. See that, right? Remember that? God damn. Alright, so we finna foam up the car now. My boy David. Don't worry about the hood gap. We gonna get that fixed once we get a new hood. You're gonna have to go back around. Do the front bumper. All right. Do it from like top to bottom. Pour it as much. And then we gonna let the soap. All right, it's cool. Hold on, it's cool. Hold on. And then we gonna let the soap, like, you know, run down the car, and then we gonna rinse the whole car and then re-scrub it. But first we gonna let this, like, you know, let the dirt particles weaken or whatever. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. And after this we gonna wash it all down and then scrub it. And then we're gonna show you the finished product after that, and then probably take it for a drive. All right, so we just got done with the detail. Squeaky clean. Still gotta get some tires shine. Look at them Brembos, them bright red. Look at that. We even do the motherfucking ass caps. They all need tire shine, but everything good though. Look at that. Clean. Cleanest it's ever been in his life. It's brand new. Still got some water on it though. Barry doing the door jams right now. Look. Shoo. Don't mind that. We're gonna clean that tomorrow or whenever they take the dash out. But yeah, you see? That's all you need to clean the wheels. Three brushes and some wheel cleaner. Gucci David, you already know. Cut that out, Oscar. Cut that out. Alright, we finished the Oscar video. We got the scat all finished. Hey. We finished the dash and everything. We put the steering wheel in there, boy. We finished the whole interior, basically. We're gonna go for a little test drive in a minute. A couple pulls. We're gonna get back at it. It feels good. Oh yeah, it feels good for sure. There's a cop over there. Right now, the cops out here. Two of them. Look at that Durango.
That dumbass boy.
This fucking truck, bro. What the fuck?
See that Scat?
We right here at the crib. Don't even trip. We're gonna put it back in the driveway. Back in the driveway. You did that shit way better.